Infibeam is the stock which is on our radar. The company has got a shareholder nod for issue of warrants. This will be to Bennett Coleman at a price of 1,375 rupees. So we should pull up the intraday chart of the stock. This is just a shareholder approval. The board approval had come in January, and as of now, of course, the stock is trading higher than the warrant conversion price. Neeru Sharma, the director of the company, joins in now. Good morning, ma'am, and thanks so much for joining in. What is the timeline of conversion of these warrants, and how much does Bennett Coleman currently hold in the company, and what will their stake increase to post the conversion?
So I think this nod has come in only yesterday, and with this new announcement, I think there's a lot of growth opportunities that we see in the company. So Bennett Coleman was initially also an investor in the company, and we had an ad for equity deal. So this money is going to go in a lot of growth potential opportunities that we see. This is strategic acquisitions, investments, advertising, marketing, and other general corporate purposes. And I think the details on how much their stake is going to increase, etc., will be out once we put the press release out there.
All right, Ms. Sharma, I just wanted to understand, it's, I think, a 60 crore deal. Is this in lieu of advertising expenditure? Will the money come to the company, or is it in lieu of advertising expenditure?
So this money primarily is going to go into multifold avenues that we see right now. There is this general corporate purposes, and by that I mean there will be strategic acquisitions, investment opportunities that we are eyeing, or in all the markets that we exist in. There is advertising and marketing as well, which is going to be a part of it, and then there will be other general expenditure for the corporate.
Okay, Ms. Sharma, why not? Why did the promoters have to dilute stake or give it to a non-promoter? It's just a matter of 60 crores, right? So even the promoters could have infused that money. There must be some advantage of, giving Bennett Coleman an additional stake.
Yeah, so I think that is a strategic, that's a corporate partnership that with this deal that we have struck, because we found it to be a strategic partner who will be a good potential partner with us in the long run, because there's a lot of advertising, marketing, strategic partnership opportunities that we eye.
Is there any provision that Bennett Coleman could further increase their stake, say over the longer period? Have they indicated how much they want to bring their stake to, considering, it's a strategic partner, it appears?
See, this is definitely going to be a long-term thing, and I think further details we'll be able to share as time goes.
All right, Ms. Sharma, you're talking about, some increasing of borrowing limits, corporate investments as well. I'm just looking at a BSE announcement. You've increased those limits as well. Why are you doing that? Are you looking at some acquisitions? Because if I'm not mistaken, I think it's going from around 1,000 crores to around 3,000 crores. So you must be having something in the pipeline. Could you fill us in?
Yeah, so basically there's a lot of growth opportunities that we keep eyeing. These are both organic and inorganic in nature. Now this announcement, like this increase we have done, is more of an enabling provision right now. We don't have a contact plan of raising the debt right now, but I think this is more of a provisioning, because we know that there will be a lot of opportunities that will keep coming, and we would want to have this provisioning at least with us approved.
Okay, Ms. Sharma, thank you so much for joining in.